Hi, we're Stream, and today we're going to give you an overview of how to fit a reveal fitted window roller screen. It's important to fit your screen squarely so that it functions correctly. If you're unsure, check at intervals during the fitting with a spirit level. Make a mark with a pencil on both the left and the right wall of the reveal where you wish to fit the front of your screen. Offer the cassette up against these marks and now use a pencil to indicate the position to drill your 4 holes in the tabs. That's 2 on either side. Using a drill with a 5mm masonry bit, drill the holes you've marked. Push in the raw plugs and gently tap them home with a mallet or hammer. Repeat the process on the opposite wall. Now hold the cassette back up in position. Fix the bottom screws of the left and right tab and then the top screws on each tab. At this point, it's a good idea to test the screen before fitting the side guides. Ensure the handles are positioned at either side and pull the screen down evenly, then allow it to retract back into the cassette. If all is working smoothly, you can move on to the next stage. Take each of the guides in turn, mark the back of the guide at around 150mm from either end, and then create the 2 holes using the 2.5mm drill bit. For our example, the height of the screen only requires 2 fixing holes, but taller screens may require more. Slot the back chamber of the guide onto the tab beneath the header cassette and push it up against the wall, ensuring the guide is straight. Feel between the brush pile with your fingers and mark the wall with a pencil at the position of the holes you have just drilled. Now remove your guide. Using a 6mm masonry drill bit, drill holes at the points you have marked. Push in the raw plugs and tap them home. Replace the guide, again ensuring the chamber slots onto the tab at the bottom. Feel between the brush pile to locate the holes you've just drilled and fix the screws. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Finally, test your screen. Pull the handlebar down. Once at the bottom, Tilt the handlebar forward to hook it under the closing clips in the side guides. Tilt the bar back to release it. If you wish to attach the pull toggle, thread the cord through the eyelet and tie a double knot. Thread the disc onto the other end and tie a double knot at the required length. Cut off any excess cord. We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please do get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.